welcome to all of you all. My name is Chaudhary and I'm the fourth generation genuine jewelry consultant and a specialist. And I have an experience of working with the leading diamond manufacturing companies, and it was just in 2018 when I thought about starting my social media handle, The Diamond Talk. And over the 3 years, I've had an incredible experience of visiting the diamond mines, of seeing how pearls are sourced in the Bahrain Sea, and also attending many international trade shows and being a jewelry at India's most prestigious jewelry awards. So this was a brief introduction about myself, and let's talk about why are we here today. We are here to talk about colors. We are here to feel joyful. And also we are here to see amazing jewelry which is from the Color Me Joy collection, and also we are here to talk about styling tip. So to begin with, so let's ease the whole atmosphere a bit. I'm going to ask you all a question. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when I say colors? So I'm going to be asking all of you all a question very randomly, so be prepared, okay? Happiness, joy? Yes. Attachment, yes, absolutely. And आपको क्या लगता है जब हम बोलते हैं कलर? आपने कितनी खूबसूरत रंगीन साड़ी पहनी है? Rainbow? Yes. So tell me that do you all agree that colors have emotions? Just as jewelry has emotions, it brings us a lot of happiness. So do you think colors also have emotions because they change our mood immediately? We can transform to a happy zone, to a positive zone, to a very empowering zone. Yes? How many of you agree with me? 100%. Okay, great. So the reason why we are here is because Tanishq has launched this beautiful collection which is known as Color Me Joy, and it's a very vibrant collection which is made with natural diamonds and also made with natural gemstones. And the collection has been crafted by the skilled artisans with a lot of love, with a lot of passion. And of course, like I said to you, each piece is very, very, very unique. So now I want to ask you, when I say the color white, जब सफेद रंग बोलते हैं, so what comes to your mind? Calmness, right? Yes, and I think that the best example for white is diamond. And diamond has always been, yes. And diamond has always been such inspiration, right? Because they're resilient, they're unique, perfect. And when I say red, लाल रंग बोलते हैं तो क्या दिमाग में आता है? Marriage, love, compassion, passion, yeah? Right. So we have quite a few gentlemen sitting out here. I would like to ask you, what's the first impression that comes to your mind when I say the color blue? Expands, yes? Right. Yes, absolutely. And how about you? What's your name? Okay, hi Parth. And how about you? What's the first thing that comes to your mind when I say the color green? Emeralds, yes, absolutely. Because emeralds are green in color. Yes, it's close to nature. It's prosperity. Friends, I just touched upon very briefly about significance of colors. How these colors emit so much joy and so much happiness in all of us. So now, taking our conversation forward, we are here to talk about styling. How do we style jewelry pieces? So to begin with, I must say that jewelry styling is a very personal thing. It's not necessary that there's a fixed formula or there's a fixed agenda that this goes with this or that goes with that. The idea is you need to wear what resonates with you. You need to feel a connection with the jewelry. You need to feel happy when you wear a piece of jewelry. Because when you wear what you love, you will definitely radiate with a lot of joy and radiate with a lot of sparkle, right? So I'm going to be conducting this workshop based on 4 different occasions about jewelry styling. So let's begin with styling for Indian weddings. And as you know that after 2 years, finally weddings are taking place. पहले सिर्फ Zoom weddings होती थी, but now physically we are attending मेहंदी function, संगीत function, haldi function and everything. So when you have to attend, now this I'm going to be asking to one of the ladies out here, okay, so be ready. So when you have to attend a wedding celebration, say somebody's mehendi function, so what sort of jewelry you think that you would like to wear? And I'm going to be walking around with this beautiful tray of the collection Color Me Joy by Tanish. And let's see who would like to go. Should I come to you, ma'am? Okay, great. You love jewelry, yes. So how will you adorn yourself? See, अगर आपको मेहंदी में जाना है, what will you wear?
This
Okay.
earrings
Yes.
and these earrings and the rings
Okay, that's a very beautiful selection, ma'am. Matching, right? Beautiful.
and one more.
Okay, perfect. So you will wear a bracelet, you will wear an earring. So
And this ring.
just wear this ring. देखिए कितनी सुंदर लगेगी ring आप पर. Let's see. Go. Beautiful. So stunning. Yes, so when we talk about styling, say for a wedding occasion, you know, say for example, आप हल्दी function में जा रहे हैं and you're wearing a soft pastel color sari. So of course that time your jewelry has to be a little contrasting. You know, if your shade is say soft yellow or pastel shade, then you will go maybe for a warmer tone, something like this. So this is made with tanzanite and with amethyst. So the idea is that this will create a contrast. So it totally depends as to what color outfit are you wearing. If your sari is full of bright colors and full of sequence work, you will definitely go on a softer tone. And supposing if you're wearing a darker color tunic or a sari, supposing if you're wearing like a maroon color sari, so then you will probably go on this beautiful collection again, which is made of tanzanite. So you know it is contrasting. Like for example, मैम ने beautiful maroon साड़ी पहनी है. So इसके ऊपर देखिए, we can easily place this beautiful earring. So she will look absolutely pretty. Yes. कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये? बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So आपको लगता है कि मरून साड़ी पर आपको ये पहनना चाहिए कि कुछ और आप चॉइस करेंगे? यही आपको अच्छा लग रहा है? यस, बिकॉज ये देखिए स्टैंड आउट होगा आपके कलर से, राइट? और अगर आप ये ले लेंगे तो एकदम मिक्स हो जाएगा, राइट? ओके. सो दिस वाज अबाउट स्टाइलिंग व्हेन यू आर वेयरिंग an Indian attire. Say on the softer color sarees, you will wear something which will stand out, and on a warmer color tunic of yours or sari of yours, you will wear like a cool shade which will again stand out. Now let's talk about for the fashion forward women. We have so many fashion forward women sitting out here. So my question to you is that again, since there are no more Zoom meeting conferences, right? And you have to attend conferences in person, you have to go to office, then followed by a brunch meeting, say for example. So in that case, how would you dress yourself up? Anybody would like to say how would you like to dress yourself up for a corporate look? Something subtle and also ethical. Okay, so I'm coming to you with this tray. Let's see how would you style yourself when you have to go for a business meeting, for example. Yes. Right. Right. Absolutely. Yes, thank you. That's a great choice. So friends, the idea is that when you're at a corporate meeting, you know, the idea is to go for a very minimal look. You don't have to wear a lot of jewelry at the same time. No, as what's your name? So as Shagun mentioned that, you know, she can just wear like a small little bracelet and maybe some beautiful earrings, and that will complete her entire look. But at the same time, you know, if you're wearing like a collared top, like how I'm wearing, so probably this pendant is perfect, right? Because mask bhi hai, collars bhi hai, and so the pendant is very subtle, and then it just creates a very elegant style statement about yourself. So here we are talking about jewelry being minimalistic and also about being elegant. So secondly, you know, I would like to talk about versatility. And what do you mean by versatility? Versatility means that when you wear a piece of jewelry in more than two ways. Like for example, this earring which I am wearing, I will not be able to remove it, but this earring that I am wearing, you can wear it in two ways. This top part can be worn by itself, and of course I can also have it together. Wait, I'm going to try and can we try and do that? Okay. Yeah. Oh, you have? Perfect. So So we are just arranging one more piece. So the idea is versatility. So supposing if I have to go for a corporate meeting in the morning, I could just wear the top part, and then when I know that something unexpected has come up, then I will just add the lower part, and that completes my whole look. So here we are talking about jewelry being very elegant, and we are talking about jewelry being versatile to be worn for multiple occasions. We will talk about the next occasion is about say going for Christmas brunch. Since Christmas is just around the corner, and I'm sure that everybody has planned something, right? So how would you dress yourself, for a Christmas brunch? Can I ask you, how would you dress yourself for Christmas brunch?
A neck piece,
A neck piece, okay?
a cocktail ring perhaps, and earrings of course.
Right. So would you like to see the new collection that of Color Me Joy and choose what is your favorite piece that you would like to wear? So you're wearing all red for your Christmas brunch? Or
Yes.
white? Yeah, red?
Red. So I have a couple of events. So
Okay.
one of them is red and one of them is
Oh
white.
wow. So you have a very busy Christmas.
Yes.
Yeah?
So with white, of course, I would go something like this.
Okay, perfect.
It's matching bracelet
Right.
perhaps and earrings.
Okay, lovely choice.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically you would go for a ring and with a bracelet and a earring. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fantastic. So spoken about wearing a bracelet and a ring for her Christmas brunch. So चलिए शादी का फंक्शन अटेंड कर लिया, कॉर्पोरेट मीटिंग्स अटेंड कर ली, क्रिसमस ब्रंच अटेंड कर लिया. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट गोइंग फॉर अ नाइस डिनर विद फ्रेंड्स or going for dinner with your loved ones. So here, of course, we all like to dress up. We wear our best, maybe like a little black dress. And on that, what jewelry you think will be very, very outstanding? What would you wear when you're going out, say, for a nice romantic dinner? Anything from here? So you said a simple, this is a pendant and this is, okay, then you're wearing white, of course, this will look very pretty. These colorful, multicolor ring will also look very pretty. Okay, wow, I think all of you all have a great choice because आप सब लोगों के selections इतने खूबसूरत हैं कि मुझे कुछ बताने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Talking about going for a nice dinner with your friends or with your family. So here, I would like to emphasize on two important things. The first important point is to enhance that statement piece. Not necessary that you have to wear all the pieces of jewelry at one time. You can wear that one you can wear this one pendant for example, and this could be your statement piece, and then you could go very subtle on the earring. So likewise, if you're wearing something full sleeve, where that wrist is covered, then maybe you could go something with the rings. But then again, the idea is to focus on that one statement piece and let the other jewelry of yours be very soft and be very subtle. So this was one aspect about enhancing that one statement piece. And now the second aspect which I would like to talk about is enhancing your special features. So as you know, what is jewelry? Jewelry is nothing else but an extension of your personality. It's your personality that enhances that piece of jewelry. And how you feel from inside will be seen once you wear that piece of jewelry, right? So the idea is that if you have a long neck, for example, then you could wear a pendant because your feature will be highlighted with the piece of jewelry that you're wearing. If you have a thin wrist, you can wear bracelets because again here the bracelets will highlight your thin wrist, and likewise like a pair of earring will always uplift your face, and a pair of pendant will also add that extra grace and that sparkle on your face. So repeating myself again, we spoke about two aspects. One aspect is to let the statement piece do the talking, and the second aspect is to highlight your special feature. Let the jewelry highlight your special feature. आप जाने कि आपकी खूबसूरती क्या है. आपका रिस्ट पतला है तो फिर आप ब्रेसलेट पहनिए. आपको लगता है कि आपका neck is very slim, then you wear a necklace. But again, it all depends as to what outfit you're wearing. If you're wearing, अभी winter का time है, खैर बॉम्बे में winter होता नहीं है. But if supposing you're traveling to say North India, you're wearing a high muffler, then definitely you will wear like a dangler earrings. And if you're covering yourself with like layers and full sleeves, then probably you will go with like a lot of ring. So jewelry idea will come along as to depending as to what you're wearing and how you're wearing it. So this was a bit about styling when you're going for an evening night out party with your friends or for dinner. And now I would like to talk about parties. And since today is Saturday night in Bombay, I'm sure that some of you all must be having party plans. How many of you all have party plans on a Saturday night out? Okay, she definitely has a party plan, yeah. Okay, so now let's talk about how do we style ourselves when we are going out for a party. And since 31st December is just around the corner, there are many events being organized, and events being organized after 2 years. So I'm sure that all of us are very excited and we're very enthusiastic to step out and to enjoy with our friends, right? So here I would like to talk about layering your piece of jewelry. You know, like you can stack your bracelets, like जैसे मैंने stack किया है, I've stacked my bracelets of different concepts. So you stack your bracelets and you can also stack your rings. So here it's about layering different kinds of gemstones, layering different textures, layering different metals. It all depends as to what the outfit is and what the occasion is. So this was one aspect, layering, and the second aspect, which is very trendsetter right now, is about mismatched jewelry. And what do you mean by mismatched jewelry? Now, for example, I have worn this white top and I have worn these maroon pants. So I will mismatch it. On one side, I can wear like a diamond earring, and on the other one, I could wear like a multi-gemstone earring. So it's about mismatching, like like wearing earrings, but wearing one on one side and the other one on the other side. So these are just simple ways of playing around with how do you style yourself up. So now let's go back to the audience. So you have to go for any family occasion. आप क्या जूलरी पहन के जाना पसंद करेंगे? Simple चीजें, yes. So this is simple bracelet is what you will like. This is very pretty. और कौन से outfit पर आप चाहेंगे आप पहने इसको? Some soft color, white pastel colors. White pastel color में बहुत सुंदर लगेगा ये. Because this is made of, as you can see, this is made of beautiful amethyst and beautiful gemstones, yeah. So, और आप कुछ पसंद करना चाहेंगे?
This earring is good.
This is a ring, yes. So it look very pretty. Supposing आप ये पहन के जाएंगे, so you can आप try कर सकते हैं. You can try this ring on. Yes, very pretty. Just one simple style statement, yes. And see the detailing it has. खूबसूरती का काम इस पर इतना है. Gold work is there. There's ruby. There's diamonds.
It will match in her light dress.
Yes. Yes. Because ये statement ring हो गया, so this will speak for itself. जैसे हमने आपको बताया था that this is a statement ring. So if she wears this, of course this will attract a lot of attention and people will ask her, ये कहाँ से ले आप? तो बोलेगा color में joy. You have to go for a party with your friends out, and since Christmas and New Year's is just on the corner, what would you like to wear? Bracelets? And on what outfit would you wear this bracelet? Okay, beautiful. Great choice. And any earrings or? Perfect. Great choice. Yes. Friends, so we spoke about multiple styling concepts, about keeping our jewelry very minimal. Minimalistic is the key. We spoke about versatility, which means that wearing that same piece of jewelry in multiple ways. And when I talk about versatility, I also want to talk about weddings. When we go for weddings, we have big lavish sets. वो एक बार पहन लिया, फिर लॉकर के अंदर वो लॉक हो जाते हैं. But again, you can choose a piece of jewelry which you can wear in multiple ways. And if supposing you are wearing a long necklace which has a lot of layers, so of course एक बार पहन लिया, but then you can break those layers and break that jewelry into smaller pieces. So फिर क्या होता है that two women of the same family can wear that necklace separately and go for the same function, or even they can wear it separately and attend different functions. So this is what I mean by versatility. And sometimes the necklace can also turn into a bracelet. So there are multiple ways how you can use your one piece of jewelry and wear it for different occasions. So that's what I mean by versatility. And then I spoke about highlighting that statement piece. एक चीज पहनो, but let that statement piece do the talking. Not necessarily you have to wear everything at one go. It's like I mentioned to you, jewelry is nothing else but an extension of your personality. You feel good from inside, you feel powerful from inside, and your jewelry will definitely speak louder. Okay, so we spoke about highlighting the statement piece, and we spoke about highlighting your special feature. To choose a piece of jewelry that will highlight your special feature, And next I spoke about layering, to layer your pieces of jewelry, and I spoke about mismatch concept. So in case if you have any questions or if you would like to ask me anything, feel free. And in the meantime, I need 2 volunteers. I'm going to be asking them to style themselves for 2 occasions. One for Indian occasion and one for a Western occasion. So who would like to come for what occasion? So ma'am, what would you wear? You want to go for Indian or you want to go for something Western? Okay, great. This? Yeah, this is the one that she's chosen, and with which color outfit, ma'am?
White.
White, beautiful, nice, great choice. Okay, so you have a very busy Christmas day. So what are you wearing?
So I have this white sleeveless
Okay.
with pastel flowers
Okay.
dress which I'm going to wear. So with that, I was thinking this ring
Beautiful.
and these long earrings.
Okay, that's very stunning.
It's one shoulder.
One shoulder. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It's going to be very pretty. So
yeah, I agree.
yes,
To highlight my neck
yes,
and cheeks.
and the ring. Because when you're holding like a glass of wine or a cocktail in your hand,
A
you
ring
know,
is a
yes, a
necessary.
ring is a must. Okay, and how about you?
For traditional wear,
Okay,
for little bit subtle
okay,
or pastel shades, I would go with this.
very pretty.
These, then maybe this bracelet.
Oh, that's very pretty. Great.
And
So you're going for an Indian occasion, Indian
yeah.
celebration, right? So you
Then,
have to
yeah,
dress up.
this one.
Okay, so you're all good to get ready, get dressed up, right?
Yes.
Okay, and what's your name?
Shreya.
Shreya, what would you like to wear? And what is the occasion that you're going for?
Go for New Year party.
New Year party. Shreya has a New Year's plan set.
I think this one.
Oh, that's very stunning. I'm wearing that too, a different one. Yeah, that's very pretty.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And Shagun, you?
Yeah, so it's like full.
Full dress,
I
right?
just go for earrings and bracelets.
Right.
I would go for these.
These ones. These are the ones that are versatile.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna selected these, which you can wear in more than one way. You can wear the top part and you can wear the lower part separately, or you can wear them together. So friends, this was it. A small little styling workshop which was curated by me and along with Color Me Joy collection. And thank you to each one of you all. All of you all have been such great audience and so much of enthusiasm and so much of input. Thank you so much. In case any questions, please feel free to either reach out to me on my social media handle, which is the Diamond Talk. So this was just a brief about the collection, and here we spoke about Indian wear. We spoke about going for haldi function. We spoke about dressing up in a darker tone, corporate brunches, and that's the versatile earring I was talking about. You can wear this in more than one way. Then night out with friends, and Christmas and New Year's party we are set. And yes, so that was all about styling tip with Color Me Joy collection. I hope that all of you all took back something from this little masterclass. And if, in case any questions, please reach out to me anytime. Have a great evening. Thank you.